Mullein leaf. Drink me as tea if you are a smoker. I scrub away the black tar buildup in your lungs and help you cough it all out. I'm pineapple. Eat me when you have a cough. My enzyme bromelain eats through thick mucus like a Pac-Man eating ghosts.
I'm Eucalyptus. Put me in boiling water and inhale. I open up your tight, wheezing airways instantly so you can finally take a deep breath.
I'm a salt inhaler. Breathe through me. My microscopic salt particles dry out the bacteria in your chest and reduce the swelling. I'm Thyme. Steep me in hot water. I relax the spasming muscles in your windpipe to stop that dry, hacking cough instantly. I'm raw honey. Swallow a spoonful of me. I coat your scratchy throat with a golden shield to block the pain so you can sleep.
I'm ginger. Chew on me to detox. I light a fire in your chest that boosts circulation and flushes out the toxins from pollution. I'm water. Drink a gallon of me. I thin out the mucus so your body can flush it away easily.